Good morning, everyone. What's going on? My name is Richard. This is last day of the week, Friday today, and we have gold. This is in daily time frame. We are going to do a top to down analysis. Includes daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame, which will also include trade ideas, the fundamentals we are having today, and everything we are going to discuss in today's video. So this is the daily time frame, and you can see we have already broken to the downside from this important support which we have mentioned before in our earlier videos as well. This break of structure leads to an impulsive move to the downside. We are witnessing this move like day before yesterday's move to the downside has broken the structure and also this important support area, and that's why we are seeing this move to the downside, and which we are expecting to continue this Friday as well. So in daily time frame, things have not changed much. Even yesterday, we have a kind of little bit movement. It was a choppy movement into the market, and it didn't move well as we expected. The all move to the downside was in the Asian session itself. In the New York session, it doesn't move much, and we have not seen a really good move to the downside. But let's see what it brings today, and we are going to watch it today. We have PCE price index data, which is going to be very crucial. And Friday often brings a lot of volume and volatility in the market, so stay safe. And Friday is often dangerous. Particularly, we have the G20 meetings running all the day today. That may also impact the market. So just be careful. It is going to be a volatile day, and it is going to be an eventful day today. Okay, talking about the daily time frame, things have not changed much. If we are looking at this 4 hourly time frame, we got this break to the downside from this rising blue uptrend channel, and that's the reason we are into this bearish bias. And also, like this horizontal support, which I have mentioned before, has also got a break to the downside, and that's the reason we are into the bearish side. Looking at this head and shoulder pattern, this is the head, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline break. And as long as we are below this neckline, we can see gold moving to the downside. After backtesting to this level, it can move to the downside. Okay, and the level is somewhere around 2400, 2402, and 2398. This is where this level is. Okay, and also, like, we may see a deeper pullback around this area, backtest to this blue uptrend channels bottom band around here, and then continue moving to the downside. Like, this can be a deeper pullback zone. Gold is moving crazy. Like, this move to the downside was also not expected. When once it got a bounce from here, we were not expecting this move to the downside, but it happens. Okay, so we are always ready to expect the unexpected, and this is how it's moving now. Okay, so this is in the 4 hourly time frame, and let me switch it into the daily time frame. And this is the daily time frame, and we have marked some important support and resistance zone, which we marked yesterday as well. All the things are same. The only thing we have added is this support, because price have spent it time around here, and now it's going to the upside. This entire zone at around 23.55.65 is going to act as a support, and this is where we can see it coming back and then bounce to the upside. Okay, and this 23.77 support area, which we have marked yesterday as well, got multiple rejection from here, a number of rejection from this side yesterday itself. If it attempts to break today from here, then we will definitely see this 2400, 2398 level, and from where we can see a reversal. Okay, and this can be our support. 25, 23, 55, 65. This entire zone can be our support, and we can see a bounce from here. Okay, and this resistance, once we will be breaking to the upside, then 20 we will see 2400, 2398, and this 2358, 2350, 51 support is very crucial. The reason is it got multiple rejection from here. This is the first touch, second, third, fourth, and now if it is attempting to break below this support level, the bears might get accelerate their move, and we can see a new low around here. And also, in Friday, if you're breaking below this support, then we can see a new low, possibly 2290, 95. Okay, so this is what I see. And yeah, so these are going to be our support and resistance zone, and this is going to be one more zone I forget to mark. This zone is going to be a very strong support area, which is last month's low, June's low. Okay, this is going to be a very important support area. 2300 is what we can see. If you're breaking below this support aggressively, then this support may get ignored, and we can see a new low around 2300. Okay, and let me mention about the DXY as well. This is the DXY 6 hourly chart. You can see this golden resistance zone is respecting so far. It is not letting it break above. Got multiple touches: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And if we are breaking above this resistance zone, then we can see a new high. Possibly this liquidity gap to the left side may get filled, and we can see a new high around 105.20. Okay, so for DXY to get bullish, it will have to break above this resistance zone, which is 104.5060. If it is getting a break above this resistance zone, then we can see a new high, and as a result to that, we will see an aggressive move to the downside. As you can see, we are currently in the risk of sentiment. Risk of sentiment means demand of risk assets get reduced, and people often invest in safe investment like gold. And talking about the currencies, people look for currencies like USD, US dollar, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. These are going to be our risk off currencies, and that's why we are seeing a steep decline in JPY pairs like USD JPY sliding, GBP JPY sliding. This is because we are into this risk of sentiment, and in the risk of sentiment, we also see a decline in the indices, which we are seeing right now. Okay, so this is what I see, and refining everything to the key level form. This is what I see. This is going to be our key levels for the day. And 2377.5 got rejected so many times. If we are getting a break above that, then we will possibly see a new high, which is around 2400, 2390. This is also a very important Fibonacci zone, a golden zone. If we mark Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, from this swing high to this swing low, you can see we have this golden zone around this area. That's where it may come, and we can see a reversal from here. Okay, possibly if you're breaking above this, it may come here, and then we can see a move to the downside. Okay, and this 2358, 2360 zone might give it a support, and we might see a bounce from here, and we can see a short term buy about 2377 for a better sell around 2400. And 2351, if you're breaking one more time, then bears will have upper hand in this, and we will see a new low, possibly 2325, which may act as a short term support. And if you're sliding below that, then we will see 2300. Okay, and I'm just gonna mark the direction what I see. Okay, this is going to be our support area 2358, 2360. And also if we are breaking above this 2377 zone, we will see a short term buy. We will see a pullback sell around 2400 and 2398. If you're getting a break below this zone 2351, we will be looking for sell. Okay, so this is what I see in terms of trade idea today. And 2325 may give a short term bounce around here, and then bears will continue to all the way 2300. Okay, so that's what I see in terms of trade idea. And it's Friday today. Stay safe. Don't over leverage your position. If you are seeing one sided direction, don't just keep on adding on your losing trade. Wait for a good setup, and then only execute your plans. Okay, and if you are taking a stop loss, just be happy in that. Leave for another day. The opportunities never gone from the market. It's always there whenever you come back. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.